This is Dave at Russo's RV Center. Today we are going to look at a brand new Geo Pro floor plan. This is a 20 BHS. It is a bunkhouse model with a large dinette slide. This Geo Pro is a little bit longer than most. It's 21 feet 1 inch total. That's from the tip of the hitch to the back wall. So yeah, this is a pretty awesome floor plan and I'm excited to show you. So let's take a look at some of the key features. For outside storage, this one has a really spacious pass-through storage in the front. That box is the griddle that's going to come with it, and there's also a table that would mount next to that. Like all Geo Pros, it has a power awning with an LED light strip. You have these Moride steps, which are fantastic, nice and stable, easy to set up. An option that we basically, I think we pretty much always get is the off-road package. So you get the 15-inch tires with the lift kit. Your griddle would mount in this rail in the back, along with the LP disconnect is right underneath. Well, let's take a look. The black tank flush right in the back of the unit. You have the standard ladder, and you can get up on that roof, that solid walkable roof. So where the bunk room is, there's a door. And there's storage. You can access this for storage, but you also can lift up this bed. It gives you even more storage. And you can actually lock it. Oh, I gotta figure this out. You gotta lock it right there. So, plenty of storage here. This is the bottom bunk. There's another bunk above it. Just gonna show you what it looks like normally. Your sewer connections are in the back, black and gray. This is big tanks. This is two 30 gallon tanks, 30 gallon black, 30 gallon gray, and I believe it's a 37 gallon freshwater tank. See, this is a large slide, and when we go inside, you're gonna see how spacious it is. Electrical right there, and then your water hookups, city water, also the antifreeze inlet and cable satellite, those are all together. Power front jack, we got the 2 bike carrier for the front. 2 20-pound propane bottles. It's a battery box that can work for 2 batteries. All right, let's take a look inside. So, here's a look at that slide out. So your bunks comes with a ladder too, which is great. Your 2 bunks. Now this unit could sleep about 5 people comfortably. Could probably get away with 6 if you have more kids. Dinette for 4. Along with the dinette, you get some storage. So actually, looks like that one is closed off. That's probably where the slide room gears are. And then your storage is here. Another under the bed. Nice big storage area. So they're trying to give you as much storage space as they can. You get the shelving up top with the net. and electrical outlets, and then of course USB for your phone. This was the tire pressure monitoring system, not set up currently, but it's very good for monitoring your tire, not only the pressure of your tires, but also the temperature. You'd be able to detect any early signs of like a blowout or a wheel bearing issue. I think it's going to be, as the years go by, it's going to be seen as an essential item. So this TV is a 12-volt TV, and it also comes with a DVD player, and it swivels, so you can be sitting at the dinette over here, and then it swivels out, and you get a good look at it. You also have the Bluetooth and AM/FM radio. Your controls, slide-out controls, on-in controls. Water heater runs on gas or electric. All the different lights. Interior lights. And what's cool about the interior lights is that there's the one switch, but you can also turn them on and off individually. We got this unit with the 13.5 thousand BTU AC. I mean, it's an option, but pretty much standard. I mean, yet to order one without an AC. It's kind of important. And your classic Geo Pro setup in the kitchen, the sink that you'd find in the other Geo Pros. You got the oven, that's an option. Nice large oven, 3-burner cooktop with the glass top. And of course, bottle opener. Certainly after the week we've had, and this will come in handy. Then we got gas electric fridge with the ice box up top. Standard microwave. Some more storage. Now this can either be for clothes, or you can take the shelves off, or you can use it as a pantry or whatever you want. Plenty of room there. Let's check out this bathroom. Now at first you say, oh, there's no sink in the bathroom. Oh, that stinks. But there actually is a sink. They put it in the shower. Now this is different. I've never seen this before, but you actually have, and I'm not like a super tall person. I don't have very long arms, but for me, this is actually very easy to get to. You can get to this, use it as a sink, right in the shower here, standing right next to it, so I can easily access it. I got two hands, but I got my one free hand. You can see, and then you can adjust this. Yeah, it's a nice way around having the bathroom where you can't fit another sink. At least you can get it in there. You get the tub with the shower miser. Toilet, plenty of leg room. And Rockwood even gave you a nice mirror. Some more storage. Also, you're going to find this in all Geos. You have the Max Air vent fan, 390 cubic feet of air a minute, and a little skylight so the tall people can stick their heads. All right, yeah, so if you have a family, a couple kids, 2 or 3 kids, this Geo, you wouldn't feel cramped because there's a lot of floor space here. Easy to get around. Weighs about 3,500 pounds. That's the unloaded vehicle weight. Still very light. And it also comes with the standard solar. Get the 100-watt solar panel on the roof. Well, yeah, so this is the new I forgot to mention, this is actually, I said 2020. It's actually a 2021. This is one of the early 21s that we've gotten. Rockwood doesn't generally make any major changes from 20 to 21. They usually happen early in the spring. They tend to make changes later in the year, closer to July and later into the fall, but basically it's a 2020 with the 2021 paperwork. So That works. Table can drop down for a bed as well. I like that there's some big windows. You got the windows in the slide, window around the bed, front window, screen door. When that's closed, you got the screen door and a large window by the sink. Light color is nice and bright in here, makes it feel even bigger, which is another thing that Geo Pro does so well. All right, well, I hope you can come down and check this out. We are encouraging everybody to wash their hands like everybody else in the world right now. Wash your hands, practice social distancing, but we're going to try to be safe and keep everybody safe here, and we're happy to serve you. So hopefully you come down soon and check out what we have, including this fantastic little Geo Pro. All right, you guys have a great day.